Once your budget is determined, you can search much more concretely in the housing market. And with that, we have arrived at step 2, the orientation phase. You can orient yourself on well-known websites such as Funda.nl, and you can set parameters that allow you to receive notifications when new properties become available within your price range and the area you are looking at. Be aware that the asking prices on Funda.nl are generally not a very accurate reflection of the actual values of the property. You may notice that there are sometimes overbids or underbids. It is quite difficult to have a clear understanding of whether a property is priced sharply in the market or not. For that, you can engage a buyer's agent. A buyer's agent often has knowledge of the local market and knows what kind of offer needs to be made to have a chance at a winning bid. If you ever see something strange on Funda.nl, or if there is a change in your financial situation, always make sure to clarify everything with your advisor at Visi before you make your offer. This way, you can be sure that the offer you are making is also financially feasible. Have you found your dream home? Then you can make an offer, and the negotiation phase begins. Step 3.